Alright, here's your water heater. Remove the screws right there, 1, 2, and remove that. This one's 11 millimeter. To get this one off. Alright, I'll pull this stupid thing out. Oh, man. Alright. This is your culprit. Looks like a freaking spark plug. It probably is. Just replace the hole with this stupid. Alright, looks like it works. All I do is use a wire brush and clean off the end of the thermocouple right there. Well, that's the circle part, but you get it. This is what I use to clean the end of the thermocouple. Little wire brush, $1.30, 10 millimeter wrench. 11 millimeter flashlight, lighter, and a screwdriver. A really small, fat, stumpy screwdriver, Phillips head. And now I'll put the fun part back. I hate this crap. This is the most poorly designed feature of a water heater. Okay, so basically you got the thick line is the main gas line. But first you get your thermocouple, which is the copper line, and then you have your idle gas valve. So your idle gas valve and your thermocouple, when you press down on this with your pilot, two different pieces of metal come in contact, and it either sends electric current inside here or it heats it up, heat. It does something, and then a little bit of gas comes through here, and then down in there, that little flame right there in the front, your pot light stays on there, and you keep holding it down for like a minute, then you let go, and if it stays lit, if it doesn't, you do it again, but if it stays lit, then you come up here and you turn this knob from pilot lighting, you turn it over to whatever temperature you want it. And then that, whenever you turn it to, once you hit this mark right here, like around there, it opens up about the big old gas valve, and it lets out a bunch of gas from that ring, and that bunch of gas comes out and ignites from the pilot light. And then that all heats, the heat goes through baffles through the middle. It just goes up through the middle, and there's a bunch of little baffles, like one right here and then one right here, like they're like stacked, so the heat takes a while to flow up and out the exhaust. And as that heat is going up, the side walls are filled with water, and convection or conduction, whatever, one of the two, heats up the water, and so you have a cold line going in, it's going through this heated water, and then somewhere along the lines it crosses and it comes up, and it's still going through heated water, and then it comes out hot. And what I did was took off that and that. That's 11 millimeter, and that was 10 millimeter. And then in here, I use a screwdriver to unscrew. There's a connection in there somewhere. Let me use a flashlight. There's a screw. It's right there to take it off that connection. That way I can pull the whole thing out. Pull the whole thing out. And then I just cleaned it with a wire brush. I used a wire brush, cleaned off the end of the thermocouple, and then I put it back in. Well, first I tested it outside. I didn't have it connected up in there. I had it out here, and then I did the testing. I pushed it down, lit it, it stayed lit, let go, it stayed lit, and then I turned it off. Turned out to the off mode. If I can get the focus. Pilot. That side's off, and then now it's on. Thank you.